Hi students, so this lecture for BBA 4th sem on financial management. In last class we saw the first chapter and we finished that first chapter, and now I am going to start this unit number 2, which is the financial planning and the capitalization. And so this chapter is also for your internal exam, and so these slides prepare as notes for the second units, okay, for this financial planning and the capitalization. uh, just see financial planning. So each and every firm or the business needed the financial plan, okay. So deciding the well in advance for the financial requirement in the business, how much the working capital is required, means for the day-to-day business expenses how many is required, or for the fixed capital how many is required for the purchase of the fixed assets like machineries, equipments or the furniture, etc., and for the purchase of the raw materials or the finished goods, okay, as well as to pay the for the creditors purpose and day to day's expenses, okay. So well in advance is all these things, as well as to formulate the new policies, okay. So new policies, so these are the this is nothing but the financial planning, okay, so by the financial manager, okay. So now see the meaning of the financial planning. In connection with any business enterprises, it refers to the process of estimating a firm's financial requirements and determining pattern of financing. It includes determining the objective policies, procedures and programs to deal with financial activities, okay. So this financial planning is nothing but what? It is the estimating a firm's financial requirements, okay. The firm's financial requirements, what's how much the capital is required, or how much the finance is required, or the how much the fund is required well in advance, okay. So by the finance managers, as well as to determining the pattern of financing, okay. So determining or to prepare the financial structure, okay, or the capital structure, okay. So capital structure is nothing but the combination of the equity capital and the equity share capital and the debt capital, okay. So this is the it is a determining the source of finance, okay, by the which way to raise the finance, by the way of the equity shares, or by the way of the preference shares, or by the way of the debentures, or by the way of the loans, or the from the financial institutions, or the from the bank, or from the creditors, okay. So like this these are the financial planning, or the determining the firm's financial pattern of financing, okay. As well as it includes the determining the objectives, to frame the objectives, or to frame the policies, or to frame the procedures and programs to deal with the financial activities, whatever related or whatever the concern related the financial, all these plannings are needed, okay. So it's nothing but the financial planning, okay. So now see the definition. J.H. Bonville. So the financial plan of corporation has twofold aspects, that is it is refers not only to the capital structure of the corporation, but also the financial policies which is the corporation has adopted or intended to adopt, okay. So the financial planning is nothing but what? To prepare the capital structure, means how to raise the capital, or the combination of the shares, equity shares and the debt, okay. So is as well as is related to the formulate the policies or the activities related the finance, okay. So this is nothing but the this is the meaning of this definition, okay. So now see, these are the objectives of financial planning. So which are those objectives of the financial planning? And so these are the main objectives of the financial planning is what's determining capital requirements, okay. So it means what's, so well in advance to decide the how many is means ascertainment or it costs forecasting, okay. So well in advance forecast the requirements of the capitals, okay. And so this it will depend upon the factors like the cost of current as well as the fixed assets and the promotional expenses and the long range planning. Okay, so capital requirements have to be looked with the both aspects, that is the short term as well as the long term requirements. Okay, so this is the determining capital requirements. Now see, determining capital structure. So this determining capital structure is means what is the composition of the capital, and that is what's composition of the capital is mean, or the composition means what's the combination, that is the equity share capital and the debt capital. Okay, so it means what it includes the decision of the debt equity and ratio and the both short term and the long term purpose. So this is the capital structure, as well as the framing financial policies. Policies related to the cash control or the lending or the borrowing. Okay, so for that purpose, to framing the financial policies, as well as optimum use. So optimum use means whatever the raised the finance from the various or through various sources, the finance is raised in the business or in the firm, that how to use the optimum use should be the use, and to get the maximum profit. Okay, so this is also objectives of the financial planning, as well as long term view. Whatever the what's planned of the finance related the finance of the business, that should be the long term for the profitability purpose. Okay, so these are the objectives of the financial planning, and these are the very important, and it will come for the 5 marks. You have to explain in a easy language. Okay, so it's very easy to understand as well as easy to write. Okay, so next, in the next slide, see the types of financial planning. Okay, so financial types of financial planning, it's a short term financial plan, medium financial plan, and the long term financial plan. Okay, so short term financial plan related the finance related to about the 1 crore. Okay, so related to the 1 crore. Okay, so within this 1 crores they want to make the one short plan. Okay, short financial plan for the 1 year. Okay, for the 1 year. So this medium financial plan means for 1 to 5 years, or rupees 1 from to 1 to 5 crores, up to 5 crores they have within this, they have to make the plan. It is nothing but the medium financial plan. And long term financial plan means for the more than 5 years and more than 5 crores till the 100 crores. Okay, so like this they have to make the planning. This is nothing but the types of the financial planning. Okay, so next, which these are the factors affecting the financial planning. So nature of industry, as well as the size of business, amount of risk, expansion of plans, capital structure, alternative source, flexibility, statutory control. So these are the factors affecting for the financial planning, and it will come for the 10 marks for your exam, for the internal exam. Okay, so it's very easy. So nature of industry, so nature of industry, it's depend on the nature of the industry's financial planning. This it means for the financial planning purpose, nature of industry is the one of the factors it's affecting. How it's affecting is depend on the financial plan, is depend on the which nature is there, the small capital intensive or the labor intensive of the business. Okay, so if the labor intensive, it means if suppose the manufacturing business is there, then the more labor is required, more human power is required. For that purpose the plan is needed. Okay, as well as if it is capital intensive, then the more capital is required. Okay, so this is the nature of industry. Okay, so if it is service industry or the manufacturing industries like this, it is a factors it's affecting. Okay, so the size of business, the small size is there or the big size is there, that depends on the business. Okay, if the small size is there is a no problem to make the financial plan. If it is the big size of the business, then so much the requirements of the fund is there, and it is very difficult to make the financial plan. Okay, so this is the size of business. Next, amount of risk. Amount of risk, there is there every it means it's very risk is there, because if it is more capital is required, if the business or the firm is required the more capital, there is a risk, more risk. And if the capital required the less, then there is no more risk. Okay, so next, expansion of plans. If they want to expand the business or the firms, then so much capital is required. So for to raise, or the question will be the arise how to raise that capital. Okay, okay, from which source they want to raise the capital. Like this the question arise, and it will factors affecting for the financial planning as well as for the capital structure also the same. Alternative sources, flexibility, the financial plan should be the flexible. It means what, it should be available for the change of this financial plan. Next, statutory control, some government rules and regulations are putting for the business to, that's why for raise the funds or to maintain the financial all these activities, for that purpose some restrictions will come from the government. That's why these are the factors are affecting for the business or the firm. Okay, so these are the factors affecting to the financial planning. Okay, so just try to understand, it's very easy, and this chapter also for your exam oriented. Okay, so I hope you will be understanding. If you have any query with this, you can ask. Thank you.